What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. See, I'm set up here to install this Ecstuning rear diffuser. It is part number, excuse me, box is upside down, but it's part number 4624068. And they have a one for quad tips, but this is the S-line bumper, but they do have one for quad tips. But I just went here and got the dual tip one because the quad tip one just has this extra part cut out. So if I want to do a quad tip later, I can just cut that part out or whatever later. And then I think it's real nice though. It was on sale, so I got it. You see, they got this plastic. All right, so let me get set up and then we'll start installing it. Looks like a real simple install. I think it's only 3 bolts under here, 1, 2, and 3. Then the rest is trying to pull it out from the bumper for these tabs. I don't know how hard it is going to be to pull that out, but we'll see. Let me get set up. All right, let's get started. Thinking the hardest thing is going to be trying to pull it off, trying to pull it out the tabs. And it's a T20 star bit, and it's just 3 screws right here. Kind of feels like there's some glue. I might have used a little bit of a 2-sided tape on the side, on the ends.
Oh, with the camera set up.
Careful with these tabs. Diamond, push on this side. Push on the side of the bumper. No, bumper, push it back towards the car. The bumper, Diamond, just this. Start from this side, it's just putting too much force. Yeah, but this side right, the ends feel like they have some double-sided tape or something on them too. Whew. A lot of dust. There you go. Just go right in. Make sure everything's lined up. That's it. Just put the 3 screws back in. Good. Dirty hands all over it. Take a look and see how it looks. That is a big difference. It's like real flush right here. So the stock one has a little lip. This one's flush, so when the air's coming under the car, it'll act like a real diffuser. Well, it is, but a little bit more aerodynamic. You can see the support brace down there I just put in. And they're chilling. Sway bars. You can kind of see the mounts right there. They chilling. But let me let the car down. We'll see how everything looks, and I'll show you guys something else that's going to be coming up. All right, y'all, there it is. I think it came out pretty good. But definitely changed the tips. I don't know to what yet. But now it looks like the tail lights need to be darker, so I might tint them, or maybe even just go with a totally different tail light. So I'll probably be looking around for that. But check out, oh, my bumper was missing 3 screws right here. I just put those in. Oh, you can't see them, but they were missing. That's why when I was pulling on the bumper, it was like moving. I don't know why they were missing, but that's all that was. But let me show you guys what else I got going on. This right here. I got the Can Auto version 2 RS6 bumper going to be going on the front. I just unboxed it and put it all together yesterday. I really want to put fog lights in, so I'm gonna have to see what fog lights will fit this bumper. And the shop that painted it wants to go over the whole car, and I want to do these in the forged carbon fiber, but I was actually thinking about just changing over to the regular carbon fiber because it's so hard to find everything else in forged carbon fiber. But they said that some guys rented a space in their shop that does carbon fiber. So I was like, oh, you mean a wrap? He said, no, they do the real carbon fiber. So when I go back to the shop, because they told me to bring the car back once I get this fitted, and they said they'll just go over the whole car and buff it out and, you know, do all the little paint correction and everything. This does have some scratches and stuff, and, you know, I just washed this thing yesterday and look how dusty and dirty it is again. But anyway, y'all, I like the way it came out. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.